back, guys. Today we're trying this new dynamic lure that I got. I've seen a few people use it. We're fishing this small trout stream. I don't know, the goal is to first catch a fish on it, and then I'm gonna see if I can get a good one. We'll go 18, 20 incher. So I'll see you guys when we get our first fish. Dude, this would be a killer in Tully. That creek, yeah. Tell me, that's where I gotta throw this. Dude, it's perfect for that stream. Oh, I missed a fish. Oh, that was a big one. Oh, did you see the colors on that? That was a nice one. Dude, I thought he was gonna come back and eat it. Oh, there he was right there. Oh, no! That was huge. That was a 20 incher.
That was a nice fish.
Oh my God, how did he not get hooked?
Those giant ass hooks, dude.
Oh, guys, this lure's fucking money. Oh, we're hooked up. Little guy. First fish on the new lure. I was hoping it'd be that other one. Make sure we wet our hands. Oh, he's going crazy. Alright, here we go, guys. Nice, pretty native brown trout. Yeah, it's about the size of the other one I missed. Alright, guys. Nice first fish. Gonna get a release. Oh, he wanted to come back. You see him jump back on?
He did?
Yeah, I put him in and he jumped. Biggest fish I've ever seen in the stream was caught here. I don't know, the water's ripping though right here, so. Oh!
Got one?
Yeah, nice one. But,
Need help?
oh shit. Hold on. Alright, they get him. There, oh.
That's a 20 incher.
Holy shit, I didn't think that. Yeah, we got him. He fucking smashed it. That's a tank. Oh,
There it is.
I was
You're recording.
Alright, guys, I just absolutely tank of a brown. He's not even that big. He's about 17 and a half inches, but he's fat. He's eating good. Caught on the new dynamic lure. Pretty damn good lure. So we're gonna get a release on him. Such a beautiful fish. Oh, yeah. This is good fast water. Could see a nice fish green in. Alright, I'd be on 36% too. Oh, we're good. Yeah, we're hooked. Beached him. That's why I beached him real quick. Let's wet our hands real quick. Ugh. Quick release. Nice. Always a little chunker though. Nice little 10 incher. Toss him back.
Nothing, dude. I'm not seeing shit. From right here?
You can get like on the edge of it. Can you get on any further?
No. That's what I try to do, let it float a little bit.
Let's see what you hit that bush over there.
Oh! Was that a fish? Got one. Yep. Bring him down there.
Oh yeah. Oh, he's mighty good.
Oh, my bad. I didn't know I was on you.
Good. Yeah, I know. That's a nice fish. You recorded? I wasn't. All right, Nate just pulled out a nice 18.5 incher. Let's get a nice release on him. Beautiful fish. Great fight. Oh, he tried. Would you fall? Alright guys, I'm gonna end this video on describing my opinion and what I think of the lure. Foremost, I would say it's a good lure. I really liked it. It's very small. Definitely suits the small creeks that I fish. I wish they had a little bit bigger of a size because I think it would destroy if it was like another, maybe like a little bit longer, some of the bigger creeks I fish, but definitely a great lure. I would recommend buying it. Like I said, I wanted to do this video because I've seen a few people use it on YouTube, so I was like, let's give it a shot. Let's make a video out of it. And I think it was a good, definitely wonderful looking lure. I love the patterns on it. It's suspended, so it's a light lure too. I had trouble casting a few times, but it's a light lure. So I like that it's suspended and it can get down in deeper holes. As you can see in the video, I was able to work it good. But overall, I'm going to give it 8 out of 10. It's a solid lure. As you can see, I caught a nice fish and I missed a really nice brown. But yeah, dynamic lure. I would recommend buying this if you guys like fishing small creeks like me and throwing this bad boy out. But with that being said, thank you so much for watching today's video. Make sure to like if you like this video and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.